Shiba Inu coin news today. Shib could explode tomorrow. Shiba to 10 cents soon. Shiba Inu is arguably among the most popular meme coins today. Named after the Shiba Inu dog, the coin has gained tremendously over the years. It is essentially a decentralized meme token that has managed to evolve and amassed a vibrant community for its ecosystem. The dynamic community building approach has made Shib popular, resulting in the name the Doge Coin Killer. It is available today on most decentralized exchanges. Shiba Inu has recently recorded relatively high price gains in the recent months since its launch in August of 2020. The future appears bright for digital assets as forecasts show that a majority will continue to increase worth over more extended periods. Since Shiba is dependent on the Ethereum blockchain and has support from Elon Musk, it is highly likely to experience exponential growth. Shiba Inu is essentially the most popular cryptocurrency inspired by the famous Dogecoin. Most of these Dogecoin-inspired tokens have gained popularity due to the unprecedented endorsement by Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who has openly endorsed Dogecoin. Hi there, my name is Nathan and welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality cryptocurrency information. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Shiba Inu is quickly taking over the crypto scene and is growing at a very fast rate. The community around the coin is extremely strong and lots of people believe that the coin could reach 10 cents. Shiba Inu has been in the news a lot recently, mainly because the coin was very recently listed on Coinbase and Binance, two of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. This led to Shiba seeing a spike in value as it made 25% gains over the weekend. Unfortunately, the coin has come down in value since. On the positive side of things, Shiba's official Twitter account hit 900,000 followers and looks likely to hit 1 million followers before the end of the month, which is likely to give the coin a lot of publicity and increase its value. And now with new news breaking out, we could see a massive spike in Shib's value. Shiba could very soon be added to Robinhood. Robinhood Markets Inc. is testing new crypto wallet and cryptocurrency transfer features for its app, which would allow customers to send and receive digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Shiba, Bloomberg News reported on Monday. This could be huge for Shiba as Robinhood is the biggest app for retail investors, and could see lots of new people buying into Shib coin and the coin's value and hype rising. San Francisco-based crypto exchange Coinbase has listed Shiba Inu, the 47th largest cryptocurrency by capitalization. The exchange unveiled this news through a blog post on September 16th, noting that the canine-themed cryptocurrency is available on Coinbase.com and in the Android and iOS versions of the Coinbase app. Reportedly, Shib is also available on Coinbase Pro. According to the blog post, this listing will allow Coinbase users to trade, send, receive, and store Shib in most Coinbase-supported regions. Details on the jurisdictions that don't support Shib are available on the Assets page. Explaining why it decided to list Shib, Coinbase mentioned features that set the coin apart from the pack. These include the fact that token aims to be the Ethereum-based alternative to popular meme coin Dogecoin. Additionally, the Shib ecosystem supports projects like an NFT art incubator and the development of an upcoming decentralized exchange dubbed ShibaSwap. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.